I'm coming from a sports background. So I have been in sports since more than a decade now, and I'm on a leadership role myself. I'm in a sports science department, and I have seen the change, which the industry has given to us in sports. Earlier, there were less participation from the female athletes and more of the male athletes representing the bigger stage like Olympics, Commonwealth Games, or Asian Games. But then now the ratio is almost coming to an equal. Like in last Olympics, last year, Paris Olympics, there were the entire Indian contingent had 47 female athletes and 70 male athletes, including the support staff also. So that was more than the Tokyo Olympics or the Rio Olympics, and that counts to be around roughly 40% of the entire male and female athletes. So which is a almost like not we are not still equal, but still 40% is a good number to represent a gender. So I think it has evolved and it is becoming better. But and I see a lot of leadership positions where women are leading in sports. So if you talk about Miss PT Usha or um, who have achieved that, and in fact the Olympic medalists also comes from a specific background which are female. So I think it's ever emerging, and in sports I would say it's becoming better. But yeah, we have still a lot of scope in the same field. The event was actually very nicely planned, and I was really happy and proud to be a part of this particular event. I think every bit of it was taken care of, and it was really lovely to hear from so many inspiring women across all fields. Usually we come from a specific field, so we are constrained to our own fields. But for me, it was really good to have a perspective of different people coming from different backgrounds. So I think it was all put together very nicely.